We're busy breaking down the old coop. These are the 5 Brahmas we have left. Beautiful. And we're getting 50 more high lines. This is the roof sheets. And this is the poles where the new coop is going to be. Yeah, kitty. We're making more eggs for you to eat. We're making more eggs for you to eat. So, today, day 2 of coop building, finally. Jeez, this place. Anyway, here we go. We're closing up this coop now. The roof sheets. And so on and so forth. Let's go, coop build. This is the new ladies. They're a bit shy, they don't know yet I'm bringing the food. So they're running around. But yeah, they're looking good, they're 19 weeks. 19 weeks. 2 weeks before they start laying. Morning, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. This is day 3. Yesterday was day 2. So we actually did quite a lot yesterday. As you can see, all the sides are up. So the roof is going here. Here we can go down the side. This is where you enter the coop. And yeah, the guys have been very busy making it nice. This is where we're gonna put the food and other dry stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be a really nice coop. We're busy closing the sides and the front, and then we're gonna start putting the roof on. The guys have been doing a great job. Huh? It's looking nice, my girl. Huh? Looking nice.
Here we go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Pushing, guys. Nearly there. Nearly. Let's push, Theo. Let's push. Yeah, I think it's fast.
This wind blows on that plate as well.
Yeah. There we go, guys. There we go. Yeah. Let's go. There is 2, yeah. We have 2 here in front. There we go. Guys, pushing here. We're going. You can see nearly there. Guess what's coming now? Roof. Yeah, that's.
Needed that. Last one.
Yeah. That's the last one.
How's that next to the fucking...
A ladder. Yeah, we're getting a. Guess what, guys? What's coming next? It's a roof. Here we go. Yeah.
So yeah, the roof is busy going on, cutting the roof sheets. Last one going on. Almost there, guys, almost there. Hello, ladies. So yeah, we've got 55 ladies, 50 Bloemen Browns, and 5 Brahmas. So yeah. Oh nice, that one is chilling. Dusting yourself. It's a black one. I'm gonna throw this for them. Not for you, big boy. Yeah, the ladies are starting to look good now, almost 21 weeks. Very nice orange. So guys, yeah, we've been busy. It's been a good few days and but yeah, now we got an outside shed. This is where the eggs are going to be laid. My boy, you're so big and you're in the way. There we've got a seat for them. Here they're going to lay. So yeah. Busy closing up everywhere, doing things, making it stronger. So yeah, we're gonna put the video together soon, and then we'll upload it for you. So, balls in the holes.